Hey everybody, and welcome to Friendship Shaving for an unboxing video today. I have received the new Pearl Flexi Adjustable razor and I wanted to show that to you today. Now I've already taken the razor out of the box or out of its packaging, so to speak, because it took me so long on video to unpack this that actually it was getting ridiculous. So I've unpacked it and I've restarted the video because the razor itself comes in a box, and that box is sealed in some shrink wrapped plastic. That is then wrapped in bubble wrap, and it is placed in another box, and that box is wrapped in bubble wrap and placed in another package, and that package goes in the UPS envelope for postage. So you can see it took me a little while to get into that. Now, the razor itself comes with a free box of Willys. So, or at least mine did. So I got this free pack of 55 razor blades, Willys premium razor blades. That's going to make me chuckle every time I use a pack of Willys. So the razor itself comes in a very nice box. There we are, Pearl Flexi. And it says it's quintessentially luxurious. The box itself has magnetic clasp, and when you open the box, first thing you see on the back of the box there is a little instruction booklet. I'm just going to put that up there for the moment. And there we are, there's, the standard instruction booklet with information about the height of the razor, the handle height, the head, the weight, etc. We'll come on to those a little bit later, as I want to show you the razor itself. We've also got in here a Pearl warranty and registration, and on the flip side of that there is a little Pearl cleaning cloth, which is a very nice touch. There we are, there is a nice thank you card, very well presented. And then we get down to the razor and the stand. There we are, we'll pull the stand out. You can see it's got some sort of rubberized base, which I like. Means it's not going to scratch up my window ledge or anything. That is a very thoughtful little addition to the stand. There we are, and I've pulled the razor out of the box. And there it is. My first impression of this is that it is very, very well packaged. And I take that as a really good sign. There's nothing worse than getting a razor that's just chucked in an envelope. They've really taken care to make sure that their razor is well packaged, well presented, and got to me in good condition. The other thing about the razor itself that grabs me straight away is the width or the girth of the handle. It really is a chunky razor. It is quite comfortable to hold in the hand, but if I pick up, let's just pick up, let me pick up my Game Changer with an Outlaw handle. You can see that it is even bigger than the Outlaw handle, and that is a razor handle that I consider to be quite chunky. So there's a really good sized handle to get hold of. The knurling is not too deep, but it is certainly sufficient to hold. There's a cross pattern on the handle and a vertical pattern on the twist to open knob. It is a two-piece razor, so there is a retaining clip here, and obviously the head comes off as so. I will put the link to their website below, but on their website the head cap had Pearl written on it, and this one doesn't have that, and I'm quite glad of that, to be honest. It's not my favourite thing to have a company name stamped on the head cap, but there we go. It appears to be very nicely finished. Let me just have a little play with this. The knob at the bottom is quite smooth. It is and the adjustment goes from 1 to 6. There are half points along the way, and it is a smooth continual adjustment. There are no stops in it, but the adjustment knob is smooth, but there is some resistance there, and I don't think that's going to be very easy at all to knock accidentally and change the setting. And in fact I can see the head cap moving up and down. Let me hold it a little bit closer for you. Been trying to get some decent light to do this video. It is a very dismal day where I am. But it is a very nicely finished razor. It has a satin finish, as you can see, and very nicely finished. There is just the slightest mark. It won't show up on video. Perhaps not. No. The very slightest mark along here. Just something and nothing. It looks like if it was paint, it would look as if the paint had just run slightly there. But all in all, it's a nice finish. Everything seems to fit very well together. It is a brass constructed razor. It has a triple coating, and that triple plating is triple plated, and that triple plating is tested apparently by being sprayed for 48 hours with salt water under pressure. It is a 90mm razor in total height. The handle is 80mm, and it is 130 grams, so it really is quite a chunky razor. It's not as heavy as it looks, or I expected it to feel heavier. That's perhaps the way to put it. Each one comes with its individual serial number, which is printed on the underside of the razor there. You can see the Pearl logo on the bottom. On their website it is listed as costing 5,100 Indian rupees. Now I've put that into a converter and that comes out at £51, which is about 68 American dollars, a little touch under that, but 68 American dollars or £51. And actually, I think that is very good value for what you get here. The numbers are, yeah, there is an indent for the number. They're not just painted on, which is very nice to see. So there we are, a brass constructed, triple plated, CNC adjustable razor, the Pearl Flexi. Now I will be using this shortly on the video. I've already recorded the video for this Friday's shave, so it will be the one after that, and you will get to see the Pearl Flexi in action. It really is a big handle, so if you've got big hands, maybe this will appeal to you. But despite being very chunky, it has that sort of small feel like the Rex Ambassador or the Gibbs adjustable razor. I'm very intrigued as to how this will shave, and I'll let you know soon. So there we are. Keep an eye out. Take care of yourselves. I'll see you soon. I've got a box of Willys. See you guys.